Well, hello, welcome to Itching to Ride. I'm Mark. I've got myself a nice little project. I've got a Suzuki RGV 250. It's all completely in bits. I've actually bought it off my cousin. It's been off the road for about 22 years. It's actually been in bits for about 10 years, so it's all a bit of a state, but I'm going to work my way through it and tidy it up and replace bits what need replacing, get things painted and turn it into a nice bike. It will actually be for sale when it's all done, so if you're interested, leave a comment. Right, I'll just show you around the bike. Right, let's go through some of the parts then. Everything needs doing. There's the forks, but I'm going to have to replace them because actually there's a little bit of like corrosion on here. If you can see that in the camera. Some pitting. So they're no good really. So I'm going to replace them, get them done. So obviously they'll have all new seals in and obviously new oil and everything, so they'll be completely rebuilt and all cleaned up. Here's the engine. It's a bit of a state. As I say, it's just been sitting for like 20 years. But it's actually only done 8,000 miles, so that's going to be a good engine, I'm pretty sure. So we're going to clean it all up and see if we can get it running. Like I say, once it's cleaned up, that'll look pretty sweet, I reckon. That'll look good. We've got some brackets here. We're going to get powder coated, so I'll be taking them probably tomorrow morning, I reckon. So they'll be all done. They look like brand new. There's the swinging arm. That's Marley down there. Look, he's hiding up, chewing on stuff as usual. There's the swinging arm. That's the VJ22, so that's the banana swinging arm one. As you can see, it's all a bit of a state, but that'll all clean up really nice. It'll look really good once it's all cleaned up. It's all the subframe here. Just like loads of bits here. All odd stuff, all the clocks. There's the frame. It's the same, that's all like dirty and but just needs to polish up and a clean. It'll come up nice. I was going to get rid of all these horrible red anodised bits. Back in the day, that's the sort of thing we used to do, didn't we? But they look pretty naff now, don't they? So we'll get rid of them. There's a nose cone over here actually. That's when the last time it was on the road, look. April 2000. That's the same as all this, that's filthy, but if you give it a good clean up, look, I reckon that'll come up nice. So that's the idea anyway. Here's the wheels. They're a bit of a mess, all the paint's coming off them, all peeling away there. So they're all going to be resprayed. So I'm going to be taking them to my old mate Alex at Black Stag Styling. He'll be doing them for me. And obviously I'm going to get all new tyres. I'm going to probably get some Bridgestones S22s on there, I reckon. I'll have all new disc bolts as well because they're corroded. So it looks sweet. I'll have all new chain, new sprockets. So it's going to have loads of new stuff on it. It's got Arrow race exhausts on it. Well, we'll have them on it. But they're a bit of a state. So they'll be all cleaned up and repainted. So they'll look nice when it's done. Another box of bits. There's in cans. They're in good shape really, just need a good clean. The radiator, seat, there's loads of bits like everywhere. Another box full of stuff. It's a fairing. So it's all in pretty good shape, just needs a really good clean and polish up. Fuel tank and that all down here. A few other bits. So that's about a lot really. So over the next, well probably tomorrow, I'm going to take the wheels over to my mate Alex, I reckon. So I can get them sort of painted up, get them sorted. And then we'll get some new tyres fitted to them. And I'll probably drop off these bits as well to get them powder coated along with the exhausts. So I'll get them sort of all cleaned up and at the same time, I reckon. Shot blasted or something. That'll be sort of about it for now. And then I'll probably then start, after I've done that, probably start cleaning all the frame up, I reckon. Polishing all the frame, cleaning it all, and the swinging arm. And obviously then I'll start putting the frame together and the swinging arm and that. Then we'll gradually go from there. And I'll start ordering some bits soon. But yeah, I think it'll come up quite nice. It'll be quite a tidy bike when it's done. So like I say, if that's something you're interested in, drop us a message. Yeah, alright, well next thing I'll do is probably take the wheels in it tomorrow morning. I'll probably see you then. So I'm here at Black Stag Styling. I'm now going to drop off my wheels here. They're getting painted, so we'll just pop in and see Alex. Hello mate.
Hello there Mark, how you doing?
Yeah, good mate. I brought my wheels over here for you.
Fantastic, yeah, I see. Got a couple of the bike wheels.
Yeah.
So what are these off?
Suzuki 250. Oh sorry, Suzuki RGV 250.
Very nice,
let's go to the sun a bit, it's a bit hot there, isn't it? Yeah. As you can see, they're a bit of a state, mate. So
yeah, we just need refurb.
Yeah. So we'd like to have them all sprayed up white if you can, mate.
Yeah, not a problem. So we're looking at going with a gloss white.
Yeah, gloss white.
Like in the centres here, or would it be?
Yeah, the whole wheel done in white. Yeah, we know we're going to do. Not going to bother polishing them or nothing. Just like them all done white. That'd be nice. Not a problem at all.
We can do that. So we'll get all the weights off. I see you've stripped all the bearings and brakes. So we'll give them a clean up, get them in the chemical tank, strip them.
Yep.
So there's gets rid of everything, all the paint, primer, corrosion, anything like that.
Nice.
Refurb them, powder prime them,
yep.
And then paint them and lacquer them in a nice gloss white.
Yeah.
Make them look all lovely again.
Yeah, will mate.
That'll be the whole wheel done as well, so
yeah.
Now, yeah, look the part.
They look like brand new, eh? It's sweet when they're getting back on the bike.
Better than brand new.
Yeah.
Probably will be better than they originally were.
Yeah, probably will actually, to be honest. Yeah.
No, we'll get them sorted for you. Take about a week, roughly, just under. So,
okay, mate. Yeah, brilliant.
Yeah, always rely on us here at Black Stag Styling, can't you?
Yeah, that's right, mate. Definitely. They've done a lot of stuff for me over the years. Always been good quality stuff. So, yeah. So if anyone else is looking to have anything done on their bike or anything, or even their car or their van, like I say, you can give Alex a call. Do a lot of painting, don't you? Do actually full resprays and everything, don't you? And hydro dipping, so a bit of everything.
Yeah, plenty, mate. Yeah, lots of stuff we'll be able to help with, whether it's on bikes or cars. But yeah, we do like working on the bikes, obviously. So,
yeah, too right.
Yeah, give us a shout. Yeah, Black Stag Styling, we'll be happy to help. So.
Yeah, I'll put the number up on the screen so everyone can see it.
Right here.
Yeah, about there. Yeah, I'll do it about there, mate. About right.
Perfect.
Yeah, sorted.
Superb, mate. No, leave it with us. Yeah, we'll get them sorted.
Okay, nice one. All right, mate, thanks for that. See you a bit later. See ya.
Thank you very much.
Bye, mate. It's been a couple of weeks now since I dropped the wheels off at Alex's Black Stag Styling. I've got them back now, and I've actually done a few other bits as well. So I'll just show you around what I've done, keep you up to date. So here are the wheels. They look like they're brand new now. Alex has done a fantastic job at Black Stag Styling. So let's say if you need any paintwork done or hydro dipping, let's say give them a call. As you can see, look, brilliant job done. They're like brand new. Put some new wheel bearings in. So got some nice tyres here as well. Got some Bridgestone Battle Axe S22s to go on. So there'll be some nice sticky tyres to go on. So it looks sweet, they will. Nice new tyres and freshly painted wheels. They look really nice. Got some bits back here from powder coating. A few brackets. So they look brand new now. Look really nice. Well happy with them. The exhaust, look at them. They look a bit better, don't they? I had them all blasted and that, and then I just sprayed them all myself with some heat resistant paint for exhaust, you know, proper stuff. So yeah, they look a lot better now. Really nice. So I'm happy with them. I've been doing the frame as well. I've started that on a bit of that today. This is what the frame's like. So that's a bit of a mess. Obviously you can see it has been polished in the past, but that's been sitting for like 22 years, so it's in a bit of a mess. But this is how it looks now on this side. I've done sort of, this side's nearly done. But look at that, looks a bit better, doesn't it? That's taken quite a while to do it though, but you know, my hand is aching at the moment. So I'm giving it a bit of a break now, but I'm all happy with that. Just got to polish it up a few more times. But yeah, obviously the other side will be the same, so that'll look sweet when that's done. Really good. Obviously the swinging arm, that's the same. So I'll be doing that. You know, it's the same condition that. So I'll polish all that up. So that'll look really nice when that's done. Yeah, so once I've cleaned them all up and polished them up, and then obviously I'll start putting the frame together, because that'd be nice actually when I get to that stage, because if I can get like a rolling chassis done, that'd be great. So once I've done that actually, then I'll be doing the forks, because I've had to order a part ready for the forks, because you do need a seal driver to do them properly. So hopefully that'll come next week, so then I can then do the forks next week. So hopefully then we can possibly in the next week or so get a rolling chassis going. That'd be fantastic. So yeah, that's sort of where I'm up to really at the moment. But it's all looking good so far. So that's sort of end of part 1 really. So I'll see you in part 2, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you're not following me on Facebook, please do. Just type in Itching to Ride, that'll come up, and I'll see you soon.